Alright, hello everyone. My name is Shubhang Sai and I'm going to be demoing for you my PhotoShare app. So let's get started. Logged in as Took. And I'll just go to Photos and just get started showing you the features that I worked on. The first thing I'll do to demonstrate is I'll upload this new photo because I don't want to mess with the ones that have already been uploaded. So here's this extremely flattering picture of President Obama in a really icy jacket, so it's nice. So one of the first things that I did was implement this delete feature. So I'm just gonna type in a comment, who cares, and now what I can do is I can press this X right here and it'll be deleted, as you'd expect. I can also delete my own photos, and just go like that, and it's gone. Notice that there's no X in a comment that I have not made, and there's also, if you go in like the photos of someone else, there's no X in the photos that someone else uploaded. Okay, great. The next thing which I implemented was this like feature, and the likes are ordered by, or the photos are ordered by like. So I press this heart, it turns red, so you can, it's an indication that you've liked it. And if I press this here, this has more likes than this one, so this gets moved to the front. Okay, it's very nice. The next thing which I implemented was this idea of mention. So the first thing is I'm going to mention someone who doesn't exist. And as you can see, blah, blah, blah is not a valid login name. So that's great. So I can't actually mention in any comment someone who doesn't really exist. So let me mention someone who does exist. Let me mention Malcolm. And I'll comment, okay? Now if I go to Malcolm, as you can see now, he has one mention. Go in his mentions page, and there's the link to the person who owns the photo and the photo page. Awesome, perfect. So let me delete this. And finally, the last thing which I did was add favorites, so I can favorite any photo. No one else can see that I favorited any photo. And I go on this favorites page, and it's customized for me, as you can see. So not like anyone can just go to it. It depends on the user in the session. And when I click on it, I have this really nice modal view with the title of when it was uploaded, and great. And I can unfavorite it right there. And you know what, man, I just don't really like this app very much anymore. I just don't want to be a user anymore. There, I mean, I'm not a user anymore, so I can't log in. I've been deleted from the site, and if I log in as KB, then as you can see, Peregrine Took is no longer there. One thing which I started doing was this idea of tagging. It was sort of difficult to do, and well, it wants to embarrass me right now, so it's not working. But anyway, I tried using this library called Anatorius, and that was a little bit difficult to just work with, and so I just abandoned that entire idea. The most difficult thing to do, I think, was delete a mention when you delete anything. So when you delete a comment, you have to delete a mention. If you remember, I commented Malcolm, and I deleted that comment, and there's no mention left. That was really difficult to do, actually. And same goes for when you mention someone and then you delete a photo with a mention, or you comment something and then you delete your entire profile. That was just like a very difficult thing to remove the mentions. So mixing those two stories was just a very feature-intensive stories to implement. So, but I ended up getting it done, and well, I mean that's that. So, thanks for listening, and thanks for a great course. It's a really fun project, and I definitely learned a ton. And yeah, hope you guys liked it. Thanks.